Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing PopWord, a pretty cool AppSumo marketplace tool that I just bought that help you to understand and to learn another language, and also it makes easier to do translations and to understand news and all written content on the internet using another language while it's written on another language. And the tool works like it's a Chrome extension, so you will need to use Google Chrome and also install the extension to use the features of the tool. The deal is pretty much straightforward, so it's a lifetime deal for $38, and you gain the lifetime access, and you will organically learn and get better at any language with instant translations and definition on any site without limits. So let's see how the deal works. I'm going, for instance, to the Le Monde website, so everything is written in French. So let's just um, find a news here. Okay, so the only thing I need to do is do one click on the Chrome extension and it's activated. So I choose to translate everything to Portuguese. So, and you can translate everything to German, you can translate everything to English, you can translate anything to other kinds of language, for instance, French, etc. I don't know what is demicycle, and so I'm gonna click here, and the tool will automatically translate to Portuguese. And let's see, I don't know what's reimporter, so I click here, and the tool will automatically translate to Portuguese. And then you just keep going, ajouter, and they will translate everything to the language you want. So you can just click on the Chrome extension and change the language you want to translate. For instance, if you want to have everything in Arabic or everything in English, you just need to to change the language option on the Chrome extension, and you do it with one click. It's really easy to change the feature.